Hey, what's up, traders? So we're running a contest every single month. We pick one winner who comments, likes, and to subscribe to my channel and comments on every video this month. We randomly pick a drawing, and hopefully it's you. Just be sure you like, comment, and are subscribed to this channel, and you'll get free access to our full training academy and everything it is have to offer. Good luck, peace, and enjoy the next video. Hey, what's up, everybody? It is July 1st. Can you believe it? I just did a video on my Instagram, so I'm not gonna go too far into it. But yeah, this year keeps creeping by and nothing good happened, or is starting to happen. I'm gonna move over here to Chargers. Sorry, the view won't be as aesthetic, but I don't want it to die. But the thing is that, you know, I thought we'd be done by now. But we're not done by now, and we got a lot more stuff going on. But you know, there's been some pretty decent moves in the market so far, and especially I want to highlight this move. I've been talking about it for like 2 weeks now, and I think it's finally starting to materialize. So this is a weekly chart. I'm looking at it from this basis of a move higher, right? So maybe we don't hit the full top of the channel, but something like this seems very likely. But if we go down to the bottom side here we are on the daily, you can see we're back inside this channel. So this is a huge deal, and if this is the case, then that would be I'm gonna pause the video right now for all the people at home that are in my VIP Academy that have been through it. I'm gonna give you 2 seconds to guess. Hopefully you don't have to guess and you know what this means. So we have a false breakdown here. So what does that mean? That we're gonna have a breakout, right? So we have a false breakdown, and now we're looking for the breakout. Okay, so you know what I'd love to see is some sort of retest, maybe to the top side of this zone here. Where are we at? To like the inside of this trend line. Go to daily, and this would be magnificent. And so I'm gonna be watching GA closely. I'm gonna be watching GU closely. We caught a great trade on the pound dollar earlier this week, and I think we're still, did we hit our 100 pip target today? I believe we did. Let's see here. Yep, so we hit our 100 pip target in GU. EU as well. Let's take a look at here. Excuse me. There it is. And so EU isn't quite as pretty. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna pause this. Okay, let's take a look now, see if this is any better. Okay, so here we are on EU, right? So this clearly a bullish pennant, bullish flag, and there's multiple ways to look at this, right? So this was the first flagpole, and then we had this kind of diagonal flag, which we broke out of and retested the support. And so now what I am looking for, and this would mean the continuation of this structure, is a breakout from here, which we're very, very, very close to. So the real question is, what's the dollar going to do? And that is what's going to be on a lot of people's mind going forward into the rest of the week. And by the rest of the week, I mean July 3rd, right? July 3rd, because Friday is July 4th, so it's going to be a holiday here in the United States, Independence Day. So don't expect much action in the market, if any at all. But I wouldn't be surprised to see us break out here, or potentially break down. So I am expecting increased volatility tomorrow for sure. Let's see, I don't want to trade Euro GBP, but I do want to have a look at it. Okay, so this is a very good looking trade. There's a lot going on here. And I mean, if you look at it on the weekly, it's like, oh man, what the hell am I looking at? But let's take a closer look. And first, it all starts with Fibonacci. All right, so here we are. We got a bounce off the 61.8, and then we nearly tagged the 23.6. And so here we are on the 38.2. So if you ask me, this looks like a textbook higher high, higher high, higher high, right? So, more than likely, if you can get a good entry, you're probably going to see something like this. Although, personally, I think there's some better trades out there than EG. But seeing as though we're seeing more volatility in pound pairs and euro pairs, they're not a bad choice to go with. Let's take a look at US dollar Swiss. And so US dollar Swiss had this huge breakdown. It's been breaking down for weeks now. We caught this trade here, which was another instance of a false breakout leading to a breakdown. And so the question is, where do we find the bottom here? So this is what I'm looking for. I'm not necessarily looking to get in the trade like right in the middle. We are approaching, however, a trend line down here, so this could be a good start. There's quite a few different quote unquote possibilities, but I lost the no. I'm pause this. Okay, we're definitely having a few technical difficulties, so I'm going to wrap this up here, but let's take a look at some yen pairs, last but not least, for sure. And if we're running into some risk off activity or risk on activity, which it sure looks like we are, here's the weekly chart. Oh man, so sorry, my connection keeps going in and out. It's really bad out here. But what I'm saying here, look, you don't even need a chart. I'm telling you, you may be like, dude, what are you talking about? You have to have charts and technical analysis, but you don't. All you have to do is get a read on the market and get a general idea of which way it's going to go, where the investor's money is going to flow, and then try to go with that money, right? So because it's basically one big flow chart from one asset to another asset to another asset and then to another, and then it just repeats the cycle over and over and over and over again. And we're in a huge cyclical existence, right? So everything though that's going on now has never happened before. So we're in uncharted territory, which is, in my opinion, pretty scary. So we'll see how all that pans out. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting into the week, that's for sure. And it's July 4th on Friday. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you're having a great week. I know it's super hard out there. It's super stressful. It's like, if you're like me, you're asking yourself, when is this just going to end? I just want my life back. I want to be able to go into a restaurant. I don't want to have to wear a fucking mask that doesn't do anything. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I don't want these people fighting and making it a political thing, right? That's the sad part. It's turned into a political issue instead of a safety issue. So with that being said, use your common sense to the best of your ability. Try to love one another, and we will get through this. And if you'd like to be a part of our amazing, amazing community and get through it with me and the rest of our traders, please click link below to get started, and I'll see you in the VIP chat. Peace. Adios.